Hi! Here I have a reference design for a 24 watts dual output power supply using InnoMux2. InnoMux2 is a flyback IC that's specifically designed for multi-output applications, and it features a single-stage power conversion, which allows you to eliminate all the downstream DC to DC pulse regulators, while maintaining accurate regulation on all of the outputs. And by doing so, high system efficiency can be achieved. This power supply can deliver over 89% efficiency at full load condition from end to end. This reference design is intended for monitors or appliances with display functions. Now let's have a closer look at the board. Here I have DER-715. The input is from 90 to 265 volt AC. The output is configured with a constant voltage output CV1 for 5 volt and another 4 constant current outputs with accurate current matching. The voltage is from 25 volt to 56 volt for the LED string. This board also comes with 1-pin dimming mode, DIM1. You can use it for PWM, analog, or filter PWM dimming mode. Now moving on to the bottom side of the board. Since this is an evaluation board, the components are actually quite spread out for testing and measurement purposes. However, for an actual production board, the size would be significantly smaller. The InnoMux2-BL IC is sitting across the primary and the secondary side of the circuit. A 650 volt MOSFET is in the IC. We deliver zero voltage switching on the MOSFET without any additional circuitry. That means the switching loss on the MOSFET is minimized. This IC comes in a thermally efficient INSOP24 package, and the source pin over here is connected to the copper port, and we're using PCB cooling. That means no heatsink is needed anymore. Looking at the secondary side of the circuit, over here we have this IML204DG IC that regulates the current for all of the constant current outputs. All 4 CC output currents are matched to 3% accuracy. You can also put another IC here to make it 8 channels. All 8 channels can be accurately matched as well. This is the synchronous rectifier for better efficiency. And this MOSFET is for the 5 volt output. We call it a steering FET or a selection FET. What we do with it is that we steer power only to the output that's requesting it. So it could be only to 5 volt or it could be only to the LED output. This is the blocking dial for the LED output. And we have independent feedbacks going into InnoMux2 to be able to sense the outputs independently and then regulate them independently. By doing so, the regulation on each output is within plus minus 3%, including all of the tolerances. As you can see, there is no DC to DC pulse regulators on the board. The system can deliver over 89% efficiency at full load condition from end to end. This is all because of InnoMux2's excellent single-stage architecture. To learn more about InnoMux2, please visit power.com.